Mastering the Art of Proofreading, Step by Step. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of proofreading and editing. We all know that mastering writing is not just about putting words on paper, but also refining them. So, let's talk about how to work through your proofreading and editing checklist systematically. Ready to level up your writing game? Let's get started. Proofreading isn't just about catching typos. It's about ensuring clarity, coherence, and correctness in your writing. By approaching this task systematically, you can ensure thoroughness and minimize the risk of overlooking errors. Before you can work through your checklist systematically, you need to know what's on it. A good proofreading checklist might include 1. Spelling and typos. Are all the words spelled correctly? 2. Grammar and punctuation. Have you used correct tenses, sentence structures, and punctuation marks? 3. Sentence flow. Do your sentences flow smoothly, or are there awkward phrasings? 4. Consistency. Are you consistent in your usage of terms, spellings, and formats? 5. Content clarity. Is your message clear, or could there be misunderstandings? 1. One at a time. Focus on one category at a time. For instance, during your first pass, only look for spelling errors. This ensures you're not overwhelmed and minimizes the chance of missing an error. 2. Top to bottom, left to right. Start at the beginning of your document and work your way down, scanning from left to right. This methodical approach ensures you don't accidentally skip sections. 3. Take breaks. If you're working on a long document, make sure to take short breaks. This helps in refreshing your perspective, ensuring you're always at your sharpest when reviewing. 4. Read aloud. Sometimes, reading the content aloud can help in identifying awkward phrasings or errors that might be missed when reading silently. 5. Seek feedback. After you've done your own proofreading, consider getting a friend or colleague to review your work. They might spot something you missed. Remember, proofreading is a skill, and like all skills, it gets better with practice. Don't get disheartened if you don't catch every mistake the first time. The more you practice, the better you'll get. It's all about training your eye and building the habit of systematic review. And that's a wrap on systematically working through your proofreading and editing checklist. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, but it's our diligence in catching and correcting them that sets apart great writers from the rest. We hope this video has armed you with the tools to enhance your proofreading game. Until next time, keep writing, keep refining, and keep shining.